The Karnataka government and the Greater Bengaluru Authority have moved the Supreme Court seeking more time to conduct Bengaluru's long-pending civic elections. Despite the court's earlier deadline of August 31st, the state has now requested permission to hold the elections by December 31st, 2026. In its application, the GBA said the ongoing Special Intensive Revision of Electoral Rules has made it difficult to complete election preparations on time. It said thousands of officials, including booth-level officers and election staff, are currently engaged in the revision process, with the final electoral roll expected to be published on October 7th. The authority said Bengaluru has over 1.03 crore voters spread across nearly 40 lakh households, making the house-to-house verification exercise extensive. It added that enumeration forms have already been distributed to more than 53.85 lakh voters, while the draft electoral roll is expected on August 5th, followed by claims, objections and the publication of the final list. The plea comes despite the Supreme Court earlier calling August 31st the last opportunity for holding the elections. The court had previously extended the deadline from June 30th and cautioned the state against seeking any further delay, while also criticizing the authorities for delaying the election process. The upcoming polls will be the first civic elections under the Greater Bengaluru Governance Act, which replaced the BBMP with 5 city corporations under the Greater Bengaluru Authority. Bengaluru has remained without an elected municipal council since September 2020.